Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a very small Hobby Lobby haul, but I wanted to do something real quick. Just in case you go to your Hobby Lobby and you're like, oh, I never thought of that. But I'll show you what I picked up first. I needed some Sharpies. I don't know what it is with Sharpies in this house. They disappear, so I grabbed them. And then and it's all clearance. The only reason I ended up at Hobby Lobby is Scott went to a sporting goods store that's in the same area, so I went to Hobby Lobby. I bought these. I thought these were kind of cool. They're embellishments. I get 6 pieces. They were $5.99. They were $1.49. I thought they were neat looking. 2 of them. And then, look, I needed this, but it was cute. It was only 99 cents. And then I found this stamp set for $2.24. I thought it was cool. I thought it was pretty. And then this I hesitated, and then I thought, oh, what the hell? It's only $5.74. It was $22.99. So little Tim Holtz houses. I know they're probably not that big. Let's see. But I thought, hey, what the heck? It's worth a try. Yeah, see, they're not that big. But it'd be cute, you know, to make little ones. Yeah, they're tiny. Wow. Yeah. And they wanted $22 for that at one time. Are they crazy? Yeah. But I thought it was cute. So I wouldn't have paid no $22 for that. Yep. So pick me up that. Then in the clearance aisle, they had some like bakery stuff. I had this one for 74 cents. Silicone. And then they had this one for $2.49. And then they had this one for $2.49. And my thought is, and I'm just doing it on paper because I'm thinking jelly plate would be better. But this is why I bought these. I'll show you real quick. I'm just going to put a little paper down, or paint down, and get one of my rollers off to the side. And I'm just going to roll it out real quick over here. And I'm just going to press it down. Pick up some of the paint. Oh yeah, I mean, if I did it better, I wouldn't have got the outside. I don't know. Let me see something real quick, just real quick. Take my roller. Even with the outline looks cool. So let's try the other one. So that was 74 cents. Get out of the package. I'm gonna pick up some more paint. And I don't got a lot of paint out, so it'd probably show up better. Add a little bit more paint here. I'm just rolling, as you can see, on top of it. Can you imagine with a jelly plate? Ooh. Yeah, I can see it now. Oh yeah, nice. And then I got this one. Ooh, that sounds weird. Let's just, oh, I'll paint out that time. You know I'll turn this page into something anyway, so it don't matter. Hear that? All right. And boom. Oh, that is so cool. Yes, I'm glad I picked these up. But if you see them in your mixed media orders for that price, nice. Whoops. There we go. That's cool. So I thought I'd just share that. So if you're out and about and you see these on clearance, now you know you can use them. And I guarantee you definitely can use them on your jelly plate. And I just did them on paper with a roller on top of them. So on a jelly plate, I bet you it picks it up too. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.